I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video and I'm going to be showing you guys an easy banana muffin recipe, and the things you'll need are almond milk, coconut milk, but I'm going to be using almond milk, coconut flour, but I'm going to be using all-purpose flour, 1 egg, or if you're making it for more than one person, then double it, cinnamon, baking powder, vanilla extract, and bananas. But I'm also going to be adding cocoa powder and a tad bit of condensed milk. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new YouTube video. And follow me on all my social media, which I'll put in the description below. Without further ado, let's get on to it. Okay, so now I'm going to mash up the bananas, and I'm going to be using this potato masher. It barely fits, but or make sure your hands are clean before you do this. I'm just going to use my hands to mash it. And if you are going to use your hands, make sure your hands are clean. Sorry if you guys can see it, but I'm just mashing it with my hands. Now I'm actually going to continue mashing it with a fork, so I'll be right back. So now that that's done, I'm going to begin cracking 1 egg into it. Uh-oh. Now I'm going to be doing 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, but like I said in the beginning, I'm going to be using homemade almond milk. And I'm only going to be using 1 tablespoon of it. Like so. And 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, but I'm going to be using all-purpose flour instead. From this outside, now the all-purpose flour. Again, I'm using my hands. Okay. So now that that's done, I'm going to be using 1. Now I'm going to be using 1/4. Which is the smaller one. So this is what it looks like now. So now I'm going to do 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna do the dry first. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So where's the 1/4? Oh, yep. This already has a little thing to level it off. Oop. And then I'm going to add already did that. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Technically, you can add anything you want in it. And I'm using like the baking type of cocoa powder. And then oh yeah, cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon as well. Ooh, the cinnamon smells so good. Add that in. And then I'm also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oop, oop. I'm sorry if you hear stuff in the background, it's because my dog is down here, so. Right, Toby? Look at me. I'm gonna add one more. Ah, that's too much. So I'm done with that. And I'm done with the chocolate. Last but not least, I'm going to add a little bit I'm just going to drizzle it. I love condensed milk. So now mix it. Oop. So now I'm just mixing it. So all the ingredients are combined. I'm just mixing it. So these are the ingredients I used. Again, these are the ingredients I used. I used all-purpose flour. I used almond milk, cocoa powder, cinnamon, baking soda, vanilla extract, and a tiny bit of condensed milk. Let's actually try it. Ooh, that's good. Now I'm going to, once it looks like this, ooh, that's bitter. That's so good. So now I am going to put it in the microwave and I'm going to heat it up for 2 minutes, and we'll slowly start to see it rising as it's going down. So now I'm going to wait for that, and as I wait for that, I'm going to put all the silverware in the dough right there. So I'm going to put a fork, masher. Oh, it didn't go all the way. I'll wait to put that away. So make sure it's closed properly and put it back in the fridge. Let's see. I'm going to put the vanilla extract where it came from. I just realized I had condensed milk on my chin. Putting the baking soda back. And then the chocolate powder back as well. Coca powder. What's down here? Perfect. And again, this is the recipe, and ready? Let's see what it looks like. And oops. This is what it will look like, and it is a microwavable muffin. So yeah, it's that simple. It's that simple. I made this for my brother because he loves it. As a matter of fact, my grandma actually found this in a magazine. In the ones that you buy from the store, like the Women's World magazine and all that, she actually found it in there. So yeah, I'm gonna try it. Oh, and I forgot to say, to put it in the microwave for, oh yeah, I did say that. Never mind. But put it in the microwave for 2 minutes.
I'm coming for you.
Oh my gosh. This is really good. Not too dry. It's perfect. So I definitely suggest you guys make this at home, and if you do, please be sure to share it. Love you guys. What are your thoughts on it?
Good.
Just good?
Mm-hmm.
Would you recommend it to people? Any last words on?
No.
Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and please be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Hey Tim. Chelsea, give it a thumbs up. And follow me on all my social media below, and I'll put this boys in the description below as well. Bye guys. See you next time. Hope you enjoy.
It feels like